So at Tri-State, we know that the trucking industry is the backbone of America. Getting things to where it has to be, no matter if it's food or what it may be, it's got to go truck to a train or truck to a boat. It's always going to be needed.
Because without trucks, everything stopped.
Without trucks, we can't do what we do. We can't build these roads. We can't build these warehouses.
And in the trucking industry, downtime is a big thing.
Big trucks keep the world going. If their truck's down, everything else is down, so we got to keep them on the road.
It's very important to keep those trucks on the road. You got a truck down that picks up your garbage. I mean, the truck needs to be fixed, so they'll call our service manager directly, and that's huge. We get right on it, and I think that has a lot to do with the personal aspect of this company.
That's what keeps customers coming back, the fact that we can get them out and get them rolling.
The customer is the #1 product in this business for us. With 9 locations and us being able to have different trucks, different sources, the things that we have, it just makes it comfortable for the customer.
We are big enough to handle the biggest problems that our customers have across the country running trucks. And we have enough friends from 80 years of doing this to help out in places that most people can't help out.
Tri-State just makes it a point to, do whatever they can to help you.
One of the biggest things with Tri-State with me is service. We're high production logging, and now that we're in the dirt, we're high production dirt. We have got to move. If you don't move, you don't make money. We can't afford that. We've tried some other brands, and sometimes that truck would go and sit at the shop for 3 weeks at a time, and we don't have that with Tri-State.
They're extremely successful, and that's for a reason. The way that they treat their customers and the way that they treat their employees says everything. It's about the relationship with the customer, and that's what's going to keep the customers coming back.
When I help a customer out, I feel good. I feel like I accomplished something.
We try to make sure everybody feels like they're being taken care of extra special, like personal service.
Open door policy, letting people come in, talk to you about their problems, fixing their problems, making them feel like this is their home. That's what drives me to get up in the morning. That's what makes me excited about what I'm doing every day.
That goes a long way in a trucking company, just to have a relationship with somebody and they got your back.
Service is very big, and the service department is great. It's been a great partnership for us.
It's a championship mentality, and we want to be the champions of the truck world around here.